It's the hush of a timeless vista, showcasing a vast expanse of rolling hills. It's the roar of a bold mountain stream exploding over a cliff in the midst of a shadowed gorge. It's the whisper, the softest whisper, of a clearing in the heart of the deep woods. Listen carefully, and you'll hear a chorus of songbirds in the fields and forests, ringing this corner of the southern Appalachians. You can't miss the low rumble of a bear as it ambles amidst the lives of its human neighbors. There's the burst of laughter as a child soars over treetops. The sound of intimate conversation, the clink of silverware on fine china in a candle-lit restaurant. There's the excited chatter of friends who've discovered one-of-a-kind treasures in the midst of an exquisite collection of boutiques and galleries. There are the elegant notes given life in the internationally recognized Chamber Music Festival. The thwack of a golf ball driven down the middle of a beguiling emerald fairway. And the gentle sounds of a pair of lively small towns, the sort that's all but vanished from the American landscape. These are the sounds of the Highlands Cashers Plateau. These are the sounds of life. Hear what you've been missing.